all, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you run a Discord server for your community, team or business, you probably receive many updates. New blog posts, new videos on YouTube channel, new form submission and customer registrations. Now imagine if all of these updates could be automatically posted in your Discord server. No manual copy pasting, no constant checking. Everything appears in your Discord channel automatically. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video I'll show you how you can automatically add automation to your Discord server step by step. So let's get started. Before we set up this automation, let's quickly understand why this is useful. So Discord automation helps you to automatically send updates to server whenever something important happens. So for example, like if you want to share daily news, you can create this automation that daily news will be posted on your Discord channel. Same, if you want to automatically share every YouTube upload to Discord, you can create this automation. Whenever you're going to publish a new video on YouTube, instantly your server will be notified. Then you can notify your Discord channel whenever a new form submission is made, be it for event registration or something else. You can create viral memes and post it on Discord automatically and simply send the Telegram messages to Discord. These are the few examples of automations, but you can create many more automations too. So today I'll show you creating one automation which is submitting the form. So whenever someone is going to submit this form, instantly my team on Discord will be notified about the new event registration. This is just for the example, and in this example I'll just let you know how to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect. While connecting Discord with Pabbly Connect, you can create many more automations, of which the example I showed you today. Okay, so before we move on further, I'll just let you know that you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below, and it is just for you. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you one example automation, and using the same logic, you can create multiple more Discord automations. For that, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, because this is the most important window, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for type form and select it. So I'm just going to create this automation using the type form. So let's just search for type form and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between type form and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with type form. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your type form account is logged in. Then only Pabbly is going to ask you for these permissions. So once Pabbly is going to ask you for these permissions, click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions, because your data is 100% safe with us. Once you give Pabbly all the permissions, your type form account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to select the form using which you want to create this automation and click on this save and send test request. Make sure to keep the response format as advanced only. Now what you have to do, open your type form, open the form for which you want to create this automation, go on this share and copy the form link. What you have to do, you have to submit this form. Okay, so let's just copy this form link and open it in a new tab, and we're going to submit this form to do the test submission. Okay, so for the first name, I'm going to keep it as testing, last name as user, this as the phone number, email address, and then for the company, let's keep it as Pabbly Con and submit this form. We have successfully submitted this form, so let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now we're going to notify our team on Discord related to same. For that, click on this add new actions step. For the action application, you have to select it as Discord. Now let's see how to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect. For the event, you have to select it as send channel message. It's upon you. You want to select HTML or Markdown. I'm going to select Markdown and click on this connect. It is asking for the webhook URL. So to get this, open your Discord, go on the server name, then server settings. Now from the left end of the site, go on this integrations, webhooks, and click on this new webhook button. Once you click on this new webhook button, a webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. You can edit the name, or if you want, you can directly just change the channel. So let's say I'm just going to keep the channel as new event registrations, then copy the webhook URL from here and click on this save changes. Now we're going to simply paste the webhook URL right over here in our workflow. So easy, right? Now we have to enter the message. So the message will be something like this. I'm just going to show you. So let's just open the Discord. So what will be the message? New event registration, then the name, email, and the phone number. Okay, so let's just copy the same message because we're going to send the same message. So let's just copy this message and paste it right over here in our workflow. After we paste this message over here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply enter the details. But right now, we are not going to only enter the details manually, but instead we are just going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So over here, I'm going to map the name, email, and phone number. And in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the details, and map it like this. It is very important that you map these details, otherwise these details will remain static and the workflow is not going to run in real time. So we are not mapping the details, which is new event registration and this detail, because I want these details to remain same every time. Okay, now after entering this message, let's move on further. It is asking me for many another details, but all of these details are not required. If you wish, you can definitely enter the bot name, icon, and select this. And after this, click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So as you can see, we have successfully sent this message which says new registration alert, name, email, and phone number, and the company name. So like this, we learned how to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect. And now not only Typeform, you can connect any another form builder application over here. If you want, you can create any one of these automations too, because now you know how to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect and how you can automate your Discord server. A video tutorial on all of these workflows is there on our YouTube channel. You can check it out, and we have multiple more videos on Discord. You can check those too. And right now, I'll just say that try Pabbly Connect first. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this discount coupon code. But because we are offering a free trial, do try this automation yourself. And after you try, and if you have any doubts or questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.